how to integrate MailChimp with Wix. So first, go to your your MailChimp dashboard here. Then just click on audience here at the left side. Then click on sign up forms. After that, just click on create new form here at the top right corner. Okay. So, now your form, now you will choose any of these here. So let's choose embedded form. Then just type in your form name. So for example, I will type in example form. Then just choose your audience. Then just click on begin. Okay. So after that, you can customize this form here. For example, I want to add a new field. So just toggle this on for the first name, or toggle it off. So after customizing your field, just click on continue, then just copy code. Okay, now go to your Wix dashboard, then just click on edit site. After that, it'll take you here at your site, and then just look for the page that you want to add your form to. So for example, I want to add my form here around this space here, or this space, wherever you want. Then just click on add elements, then click on embed code, then click on embed HTML. Then just paste your copied HTML earlier, then just click on update. Close this, and now just resize it however you want and place it where you want people to see it. And that's about it. Now MailChimp is integrated here in your Wix website. Then after that, just click on save and just click on publish, and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.